Hi, my name is Rachel Bates and I'm a tenure member of the Hancock County 4-H program, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to make a poster for 4-H. So this is the example that I'm going to be using, and it's for my photography poster from when I was in 3rd grade. So one of the most important factors in a 4-H poster is making sure that it goes horizontally. And this is the requirement for all posters, no matter what project you're doing. And then you also need to have a backing on it, which is foam board basically, and a plastic sleeve that keeps everything nice and clean and just keeps everything protected. You can buy both of those at the extension office for $3. And I would definitely recommend doing that because they have the measurements that you need, which is a 22 by 28 poster. Another requirement for all projects is having the identification label that has your name, your club, the project that you're completing, and the years that you've been in that project, and the grade that you're in. You also need to have a source sheet in the back that has anywhere that you got information from, articles, books, interviews, really anywhere that you got information from. So then with the poster itself, you'll have a title on your poster, and so this one was Experiences in Color, and that was specific to this project. I didn't get to pick the title, but depending on the project that you do complete, you might be able to pick the title. Just check the handbook to make sure that you know if you're supposed to make the title or if there's a specific one. So with the content on your poster, if you're doing any project other than photography, you will have writing on it. And I would definitely recommend to type this and print it off in black ink so that it's easy to read, and also make sure that it's in a large enough font to be read at somewhat of a distance, just so it's visually is easy to understand and read and nice to present. I would also recommend backing any writing that you do have on it so that it's easier to read and doesn't blend in with the poster board itself. You should incorporate pictures with any project that you do, just so that it shows either the steps or the final product, anything that you've done throughout the project that needs to be shown to the judges or anybody else that sees it. A mini 4-H poster, which I made when I was in mini 4-H, and it is half the size of a regular 4-H poster. So you can buy the backing and the sleeve from the extension office and just cut it in half. I think that would probably be the easiest way to do that so that you can get all the materials from the same place. If you do have to write on a poster, like I did for my mini 4-H project, just make sure that everything is nice and neat. Yeah, just to the best of your ability, make it as neat as possible. Another thing not to do is wrap your poster in food wrap. This can cling to any content on your picture or on your poster, so pictures, any writing that you have, and make it move around. So you definitely don't want that after you spent hours on your project. With the layout of your project, I forgot to mention this before, I would definitely recommend to lay out all of the content before gluing anything down so that you have it how you like it. That if you want to change it or move it around, you can before gluing it down. So I hope that these tips helped you, and I hope that you have fun making your posters, and good luck and have fun at the fair.